Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Today we will start our video talking about three ideas, very important ideas, how to increase your money. And I realize that these ideas come to me today while I am on meditation. So I'm trying right now to go live on Facebook to start this podcast, this session. So I'm live. So again, I am welcome you today. How are you? I'm live finally, 4 minutes later than 7 o'clock. I wish you have a great day. Today, as I said, that I would like to share with you the three most important ideas which I came to me why people cannot increase their income in 2025. And these three things, I was suffering as well from it, but I decided to change it. And today I would like to share with you. First of all, I would like to know if anyone is watching this video on Monday, if you had a crazy day on Monday like myself. I still have like two missed call from people. Even these people I didn't talk to them in a while. I still have two meetings today. So it's very busy day, but it's good because if you are busy, it means that you are doing something, especially around the business, and that's good that people are coming back from their holidays. So what are the three ideas which can help you to increase this money issues? And the first thing what I was sharing in my short is relating on old strategy or the people who don't want to open their mind and be curious what's happening around us. When I talk to people the same way what they are was doing the same business in the past, they are doing it today in 2025. The same way of connections with the people, same way to connect the customers, same old ways. I'm used on this way. I don't need something new. I'm satisfied. And even in nowadays, we have a very great tools which we can use them and strategies which will help us as a people, as entrepreneur and business owner to increase our sales, like AI, like social media, like digital marketing, anything in this field, we need to use it in the right way. And if you are just using the old ways of business, you will be not only struggling, but you are like cutting the ways of income. I was talking today with someone about the live selling. Like if you go on TikTok live and if you have a business, you can sell online. You can sell for people who are looking for your business. But of course, you need to open the camera and you start to speak about your brand, about what you are selling. And this is about social media. About AI is like going very good, but very fast, actually. And you need to be using it, not like 100%. I said that we need to be also using our mind while using this tool, this AI, because not it's not perfect. It's like a machine, but it's if you use it, it can help you to save the time and the money. So don't be afraid of be curious about the new ways, because if we are, for example, making money like 50 years ago, like selling one to one, so we are missing the selling online as well. So we need to combine. And I believe I'm a big believer in combination. So I start to use AI, I start to use social media, I start to learn about social media, I start to build my brand. Because if you build the brand on social media, if the people will know about you on social media, if you use the AI, people can start to buy from you, because you can put like marketing as marketing tool. You don't need someone to do it ad for you. Nowadays, you don't need it. Can you imagine? I was like just playing around AI in the weekend. And I just started to speak to this tool, and I wanted to create a app myself, who I don't understand this technology. And believe me, if you give this tool the right prompts, it can create you a app. Yes, I want to create a app, and I believe that I can, with the help of someone, can be very good application, but you can learn it yourself, and especially nowadays. So I advise you, if you are stuck in your money, start to be open-minded for AI tools and for social media tools and everything which is happening new in your life, because we are going to the future. We are not living in the past. If you are living in your past, making money in your past, you are still blocked and stuck. And this I can be also related to our educational systems in school. And this I will tell you because I have a mentor which I watch him every day, almost every day on YouTube, and he said that the educational system, what we have today, is related on how we did the business like 100, 150 years ago. So we need also to change our educational system, and which I talk a lot when my son was in school. This school system, what we have today, is making people who are living in the past. This is the thing. So let's have a focus. If someone of you is interested, we can have a talk about scholar system, because this is something I am very interested in to change it myself. Even my son is grown and he is not going to school anymore. So first strategy, open-minded for new tools and strategy. The second is don't charge on hour. Hourly charging, for example, you have 24 hours in the day, and if you calculate it, if you want to charge $50 per hour, for example, and you can work 8 hours a day, so how many hours, how many much money you can make maximum in a month? And if you think about it, just think about it as curiosity, do the math. How much money you are making in a month and how many hours you are working. This is how is your hourly rating. It's better that you give the people or the people you are working with them and charge them about the project or about the value or about the transformation what you can give them. This is related to entrepreneurs, of course. If you are in your 9 to 5, you cannot discuss with the business owner. I said, okay, I will charge you. Maybe you can try it if you are a freelancer. But if you have a contract, there are a fixed price, and this fixed price make you stuck in your income, and you need to change it by becoming a freelancer who is charging for projects, or to create a transformational like valuable products or services for the people they are willing to pay for you, not on hour but on the project or on the transformation what they get from you, because people will pay you about the transformation, about the benefit. This is another topic about you are selling products or you are selling the transformation, but you need to think about it. And I would like to every one of you today think, or how is your hourly rate nowadays and how much you want to make money. If you are making maximum $10,000 a month, for example, you can make 10 times more by changing the way how you charge and changing the way how maybe create more value, maybe created a better products or services for the people, you can charge more. And this is number two, that stop charging on hour. And number three, which is very important also, it's happened to me and is never like people are struggling because they don't recognize their own worth. I was talking to someone, I know him here on Facebook, and we met once, I think, face to face. And he was telling me about how much he is charging, and he is afraid, even he has a lot of skills and experience, and he don't recognize how like worthy and how he deserve more. Some people are said, okay, this is how I can take, this is the rate I can give the people, because people will not pay me. Believe me, it's not the truth. If I started in 2014, I remember. It's a true story. It was a new project. I find this project in news, in local news, and I contact this project, and this person coming to Prague, we met, and I told him that if he want me to help him to get his products to the Middle East, he needs to pay me for 3 months this amount of money. And believe me, this person in 10 years ago, he give me what I want. I didn't say him I want to become a you will pay me on hour. I didn't tell him that this is what I felt before. It was, I think, $500. It was very maybe less every month, plus also the commissions from the sales. So I created in my mind, and I believe that this is my worth, and I told him, and he accepted. So if some people accept your offer, it means it's working. And if somebody doesn't accept it, it doesn't mean that your offer is like too good to be true, but it means that this person is not your client. And I want to be how to say it, to be very firm in this, because I don't believe in like I will do it a discount. It's not about discount. It's about your experience. It's about your skills. You have a lot of skills, a lot of experience, and this is your worth. This is your time. This is how you see yourself, your worth, your time and money, and this is how you need to charge. And you need to have build a self-confidence. This is more about building your self-confidence, how to believe in yourself and how you see your self-worth. This is very important. And once you do it, you will see that this is easy. First time is not easy, of course, if you start any business. But even I said I will try it. I tell this person, I tell this is for 3 months, you need to pay this amount of money every month. And also, when we will do the deal, which will did the deal, I will get this percentage from you because I closed the deal. And it's working. And from this point, I open my business and my company. And today, if someone doesn't like my offer, it's okay. I respectfully, I said that's great. We can discuss like how to say to have something in compromise with this person, but not like to say, for example, and many companies try it before, that okay, you will work for me for free for many months, and then I will give you a percentage or something like this. And I just remember something funny, like not funny too much, but it's a real story. There are one person 2 months ago. I visited him in his office, and he wanted me to help him to expand his business. He just started up. And I said to him that I can do it, but I need to know about your business. So I do some analysis, and I give him one idea. Can you imagine? One idea, one creative ideas, which make him like $100,000. And I sent him a message that it's funny that you need to pay me $10,000. Of course, he didn't because we didn't have any agreement. But you can see that if you know that you have a valuable information and creative ways to help other people to grow their businesses, it's a proof for me that I need actually to charge the people about the ideas and the way how I can create a creative ways how to make money, or these businesses will make money. So be very how to say careful about not valuing your skills and yourself, because you are capable. And sometimes people don't discover that. And I help people also to discover their purpose and discover how they can create the offer for the clients. It is very important. And yeah, this is the three things. So I want to take now a time for three questions. If you are watching this live on Facebook, or you are watching the replay on my YouTube, the first question is, about the first is, what are the kind of old strategy you are using? Are you using the new strategy? Are you using the social media? Are you using AI? Just ask yourself this question, or you can put it in your comment if you are using the new ways to do the business with the old ways together. The second question is, what is like, are you trading the time for money or not? If you are doing this exercise about your money, how much you are making and how much you want to make, and there will be a difference, you can actually make it by changing how you deal with your time, because it's not about the time, as I told you, but you need to charge about your values and how you bring the transformation. And also, you need to tell us, or to tell yourself and ask yourself where you are undervaluing yourself, because sometimes it's not coming from you, but it's coming from your childhood, that maybe your parents told you that this is what we can, this is what we can afford, you can afford, this is the limitation, nobody will pay you more. There are a lot of things will limit. It's just like limiting self-belief, or something in your head you are repeating. So try this exercise with yourself. You can also comment under this video to see if there are people we can help, of course. And here's like the three things. I was putting here some other like stuff maybe for the next time, because now it's late. I will go another call in a few minutes. And if this video or is resonating with you about the practical tools, I was thinking what I can do more because my mission in 2025 is to help business owners to increase their sales and expand their businesses, as well to create more entrepreneurs in 2025. For this reason, I was thinking yesterday exactly about doing a 3 days workshop, interactive workshop, group workshop for people who wants to attract new clients, who wants to multiply their income, who wants also to set their mind for success and to get rid of limiting self-belief. These 3 days, I'm promise you, I will put together all information which will help you at least after these 3 days that you can start and restart your business or restart your thinking, and you will get a lot of new ideas how to push you to make more money in 2025. I was thinking about it for, like, let's say 24 hours right now, and I think that I have already in my mind the idea of the 3 days. It will be every day for 1 hour and a half, 2 hours a day, so 6 hours total. So if you are if willing to know more information, of course, I will do it. I will put it on my website. I need to create the link for it. So just came. And as I say, my mentor said that you don't need to be 100% like sure or prepared to do something. But this idea, I believe that I can help many people to like go further with their business and start to make money and attract more customers in after these 3 days. So I would like to invite you, and if you have any questions and if you have any comment, please like this video, comment it. You can also follow me on this channel. Once a week, I am going live, and the replay is on my YouTube channel, Wisal Sukari, so you can watch it. Also, every day I do a small shorts about ideas related to soft skills and mindset and motivation, especially for the people who are starting and in life. So I hope to see you there, and see you next time, and have a successful week ahead. Bye bye.